So this is a follow-up exercise to something that I did using Google Jamboard in the previous lesson. The task here was for the students to try and read the shape or the height of the land from this Ordnance Survey map. Number of coloured dots, and then I had some of those little post-its there that they had to organise in sequence from highest to lowest. Now they were doing that in group work. But what I'm doing in the second lesson, the follow-up just at the start of the next lesson, is to get them then to do a little bit of peer assessment. So you can see them working away at the top, their little icons jumping around, and I've asked them to go and take a look at other people's sequencing. Now this is where the colour scheme comes in quite nicely, because they can tell at a glance those that have put them in more or less the same order that they have and those that have put them in a slightly different order. So what I've asked them to do is to go and look at the others, and really just to see if others disagree with them, to go back and quality assure their own work. A little bit of peer assessment. So what it's actually doing is leaning into the collaborative function. Some people are asking me, how do you stop the pupils looking at each other's work? Well, what if you wanted the pupils to look at each other's work? What if actually you built that in to the entire process? And what if you were able to sit and monitor them do that and give them live feedback while they're doing so? Maybe it's just a different way of thinking of this type of procedure and a different way of leaning into some of the functionality the Jamboard allows us to use.